Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix X notifications not working problem on Android, you've come to the right place. So first of all, go to your X and make sure that your notification is working. Go to your account icon and here find settings. Go to settings and privacy, and here you can see notifications. Click on preferences and here you can open, for example, push notifications, and you need to make sure that your notifications is turned on and other stuff is turned on. So for example, you can see the picture. For example, I have turned on my notifications, but for example, recommendation topics are turned off, and that's why I can't get notifications from X, or also known as Twitter, and it's also about email notifications and push notifications. So if it's everything fine but you still can't get notifications, go to your settings, and here you need to go to apps, find X, and here you need to find permissions and find notifications. As you can see, my phone not allow X notifications, so you can turn it on, and now all X notifications is turned on and I will receive them. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.